Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today let's talk about how can we model this path inside the Creo Parametric 7.0. So this is a simple 3D model and the dimensions are given. So if you need the dimensions, you can take a screenshot in HD. So let's get right into it. And I want to click on the new path solid, assign the proper name, uncheck this to use the proper units, and this time I will be using the millimeter path solid. Okay, now what I can do, I want to go for the extrude, choose the top surface and make it normal, switch off the datum planes, and right now what I can do, I will go for the center point rectangle starting from somewhere here, press middle mouse button and define the dimensions. This is 70, this one is 40. Just fit your view and hit OK. Now define the height 40. Press middle mouse button to rotate your object. Again press middle mouse button to confirm it. Okay. Now again I will choose this face and go for the extrude and make it normal. Now we'll make a close profile like this, this, and finally close it. Now I'll go for smart dimension. From here till this point, this is 15 and this is 20, and this one becomes, as you can see over here, and this one becomes 40. So this one becomes 40. So we have done. Okay, rotate your object, flip the direction and select through all. Make sure you choose the remove material, hit OK. Again I'll go for extrude, choose this face and make it normal. Now go for a circle, draw a circle like this, define the diameter 20 and hit OK. Now remove material and flip the direction. Okay. Now again I will go for this face, go for extrude and make it normal. Go for a corner rectangle starting from somewhere here, and now this one becomes 10 while this one becomes 30, as you can see over here in the dimensions. See? So I want to hit OK. Again rotate your object, flip the direction, remove material and choose through all. Here, come here and go for the standard orientation. Again I will choose this face, go for extrude and make it normal. Now go for the corner rectangle starting from somewhere here like this, and now I want to define this one is, as you can see over here in the dimensions, 16 by 10. So the depth becomes 10 and this one becomes 16, and as you can see over here, to go for the smart dimension, from here till here this must be, is the width becomes, sorry, so this must be 12 12 and 16. So as you can see over here, it becomes 40, and I'll hit OK. I'm gonna remove the material and flip the direction, and here select True All. Okay, so your object is ready. See? So make sure to subscribe to the channel to be a part of the conversation. Go for the appearances, and you can apply a certain color like this. Okay, see, again go for appearance, and this time I will choose this face. Okay, see, again go for this and this face. Okay, see. So thanks for watching.